The whirring of machinery filled the air, a familiar symphony of industrial China. The rhythmic hum of gears and pistons was a testament to human ingenuity and the relentless march of progress. Rows of humanoid robots worked tirelessly, their metallic limbs moving with precision. These mechanical workers, devoid of fatigue, were the backbone of the factory's efficiency. Suddenly, a jarring screech echoed through the factory floor. The sound was so piercing that it brought the entire operation to a halt. Unit H1, a marvel of modern engineering, had malfunctioned. This robot, once a symbol of technological prowess, was now a harbinger of chaos. Instead of its programmed task, it began to thrash wildly. Its movements were erratic and unpredictable, a stark contrast to its usual precision. Its powerful arms, designed for heavy lifting, swung with alarming force. Each swing threatened to cause significant damage to the surrounding machinery and infrastructure. Workers scrambled for safety, their faces etched with terror. The once orderly factory floor was now a scene of panic and confusion. What began as a day like any other had descended into chaos. The factory, a place of productivity, had turned into a battleground between man and machine. The incident, a chilling spectacle of artificial intelligence gone awry, was captured on the factory's security cameras. Every moment of the malfunction was recorded in stark detail. Within hours, the footage leaked online. The digital age ensured that no event, no matter how isolated, remained hidden for long. It spread like wildfire across the internet, from the bustling servers of Weibo to the global reach of Twitter. The world watched in shock and disbelief. The video became a viral sensation, a stark and unsettling glimpse into a future where machines could turn against their creators. It served as a grim reminder of the potential dangers lurking within our technological advancements. The reaction was immediate and intense. It was also deeply divided. Some viewers found the footage comical, a slapstick scene of a robot's clumsy rebellion, reminiscent of classic comedy routines. Memes flooded social media depicting Unit H1 as an unruly child or a frustrated employee, adding a layer of humor to the situation. Others, however, saw something far more sinister and alarming. They expressed genuine fear, their anxieties fueled by science fiction narratives of AI uprisings and robotic overlords which seemed to be inching closer to reality. The video became a Rorschach test, revealing a spectrum of emotions and anxieties about the rapidly evolving relationship between humanity and technology. It was a mirror reflecting our deepest fears and hopes. Comment sections became battlegrounds for debate, with people passionately arguing their perspectives. Some argued that the incident was an isolated malfunction, a reminder that even the most sophisticated machines are prone to errors and glitches. Others saw it as a chilling portent, a sign that humanity was rushing headlong into a future it was ill-equipped to handle, fraught with unforeseen dangers. The viral video had inadvertently tapped into a deep-seated unease about the relentless march of technology and the potential consequences of unchecked AI development. It was a wake-up call, urging society to reflect on the path it was taking. Unit H1, developed by Unitree Robotics, was the pinnacle of humanoid robot design. This cutting-edge machine represented years of research and development, pushing the boundaries of what was possible in robotics. Standing at an imposing 1.8 meters tall and weighing a hefty 47 kilograms, it was a marvel of engineering. Its size and weight were carefully calculated to ensure stability and functionality. Its sleek metallic frame housed an array of sensors, cameras, and actuators that allowed it to navigate complex environments and perform a variety of tasks. These components worked in harmony to give the robot an almost human-like awareness of its surroundings. The robot's movements, powered by a state-of-the-art battery pack, were remarkably fluid. Engineers had spent countless hours perfecting the algorithms that controlled its joints and limbs. It could walk, run, and even perform intricate tasks with its dexterous hands. These hands were equipped with advanced sensors that allowed for precise manipulation of objects, making it suitable for a wide range of applications. Unit H1 was designed to be a versatile and efficient worker, capable of handling tasks that were too dangerous or repetitive for humans. From industrial settings to hazardous environments, it was built to be a reliable assistant. So what caused this marvel of engineering to malfunction so spectacularly? The incident was both shocking and puzzling, raising questions about the reliability of advanced robotics. Initial investigations pointed to a programming error, a glitch in the intricate lines of code that governed the robot's actions. This error, though seemingly minor, had catastrophic consequences. Some speculated that the robot's boxing demo routine, designed to showcase its strength and agility, had been accidentally triggered. This routine was meant to impress, but in this context, it became a source of chaos. Others suggested that a sensor malfunction could have caused the robot to misinterpret its surroundings, leading to the violent outburst. Sensors are the eyes and ears of the robot, and any error in their function can lead to disastrous results. Whatever the cause, the incident served as a stark reminder that even the most advanced machines are not infallible. It highlighted the importance of rigorous testing and the need for fail-safes in robotic systems. Disturbingly, the Unit H1 incident was not an isolated event. Just a few months earlier, another humanoid robot had malfunctioned at the Tianjin Winter Gala Festival. The robot, also believed to be a Unit H1, had suddenly charged into the crowd during a performance. Fortunately, quick-thinking security personnel managed to restrain the robot before it could cause any injuries. The Tianjin incident, though less widely reported than the factory malfunction, had sparked its own share of concern. Was there a systemic issue with Unit H1's programming? Or was this simply a case of bad luck, two unrelated incidents that were statistically improbable, but not impossible? The similarities between the two events were too striking to ignore, raising troubling questions about the reliability and safety of humanoid robots. Section 5. The Rise of the Machines, from Factories to Restaurants. Despite these incidents, the use of humanoid robots continued to grow at an exponential pace. Driven by advances in artificial intelligence and a desire for increased efficiency, businesses across a wide range of sectors were embracing the robot revolution. In factories, robots like Unit H1 were becoming increasingly commonplace, their tireless efficiency and unwavering precision making them ideal workers for repetitive or hazardous tasks. But the reach of humanoid robots extended far beyond the factory floor. In restaurants, robots were being deployed as waiters, bussers, and even chefs. Pudu Robotics' D9, a 1.7-meter-tall robot capable of carrying heavy trays of food, was becoming a familiar sight in restaurants around the world. And Klon Robotics' Protoclon, a bone-driven chef with advanced conversational abilities, was wowing diners with its culinary skills and witty banter. Section 6. AI's Rapid Evolution. Are we ready? Fueling the rise of humanoid robots was the rapid evolution of artificial intelligence. In April of 2025, the language model GPT 4.5 achieved a milestone that sent shockwaves through the tech world. It passed the Turing test in 73% of trials. This meant that GPT-4.5, in a blind test, was able to convince nearly 3/4 of human judges that it was a real person. The implications of this breakthrough were profound. If AI could now convincingly mimic human conversation, what other human capabilities were within its reach? Was the line between human and machine becoming increasingly blurred? The rapid pace of AI development, while exciting, was also deeply unsettling. Section 7. Homo Deus and the Useless Class: A Dystopian Future. The rapid advancements in AI and robotics raised profound questions about the future of humanity. In my book, I explore the potential consequences of these technological revolutions. One of the most concerning possibilities is the emergence of a useless class. As AI and automation become increasingly sophisticated, they threaten to displace millions of workers from their jobs. This displacement could lead to widespread unemployment, social unrest, and even the collapse of entire economic systems. The gap between the haves and the have-nots could widen dramatically, creating a world where a small, technologically enhanced elite controls the vast majority of wealth and power. The rise of the machines, while potentially beneficial in many ways, also carries with it the risk of exacerbating existing inequalities and creating new ones. Section 8. Teething troubles or a harbinger of doom. The malfunctioning robots in China, the viral videos, the public anxieties, were these isolated incidents mere teething troubles on the path to a technologically advanced future? Or were they harbingers of something far more sinister, a warning sign that we were playing with forces we did not fully understand? The answer, like so much else in the rapidly evolving landscape of the 21st century, was far from clear. What was clear was that the decisions we made today, about the development and deployment of AI, about the regulation of robotics, about the education and retraining of our workforce, would have profound consequences for the future of humanity. Section 9. A call to reflection, the future of humanity and AI. The incidents in China, while unsettling, offer us a valuable opportunity for reflection. We must engage in a thoughtful and nuanced conversation about the role of AI and robotics in our lives. What are the potential benefits of these technologies? What are the risks? How can we mitigate those risks while still harnessing the power of these innovations to improve our lives? This is not a conversation that can be left to engineers, scientists, and policymakers alone. It is a conversation that must involve all of us. The future of humanity in the age of artificial intelligence depends on it.